Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Wow, do we have a great show for you today. Something very simple, very easy. It's a great side dish. Hey, did you ever go to one of those Asian takeout restaurants and you leave and they give you rice in one of these? Remember these things, right? Well, don't be throwing that away if you don't use it all. Don't do that. I got something on the show you're going to love, and this is what it is. Fried rice. We're going to show you how to do it. Come on in here. We have a little bit of soy sauce that's going to go in. We have 3 eggs. We have 3 cups of rice. Right. Remember this? That's right. And then we have 2.5 cups of frozen veggies that I went ahead and I defrosted in the microwave. This is all you need to make fried rice. That's right. You're paying all this money for what? We could do this for hardly anything. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the stovetop and we're going to cook our 3 eggs, scramble them, and I'll show you what to do. Let's go. Okay, we got the 3 eggs. Come on over. We're going to go ahead. We heated up our pan here. We have a little butter in there. And then look over here. I have a little sesame oil with a little bit of butter right here. And that's going to be for the fried rice, for the white rice that's not cooked yet. So first we're doing the 3 eggs. We're going to go ahead and put it in. We heated up the pan. Pour it in just like that. Let her go. Then we come over and we just do this. Can you see this? Yeah, you can see that. Just get her going. It's almost like you're making scrambled eggs, but you're not really. You're going to do it this way. You get it all together like so. Stir it up, stir it up. That's right. You often wonder, and say, boy, how do they make that fried rice so good? You know what I mean? This is how they do it. It's so simple, isn't it? But you know, you can do it at home, and it's fun. It's fun for the family, and it makes a lot. And you guess what? You get the fried rice that everybody loves from the Asian restaurant takeout from the steamed rice. You don't throw it away. Don't do that. Okay, so come on back over. This is how we're going to do it. Okay, just make sure it's nicely cooked. Nicely cooked. Look at that. Make sure you chop it up. Pezzi piccolo in Sicilian. Pezzi piccolo, pezzi piccolo. A Siciliano. That's right, here we go. Here we go. Okay, pezzi piccolo, tiny pieces of egg. Now it's all finished. I put this aside, and then I bring on the other pan, and I got a little butter and some sesame oil in there, and that's going to go ahead and heat up really good. And don't move. I'm going to go get the rice. Ah, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and heat it up a little bit here. Get it all nice and warm. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it in. Okay, here we go. Whoa, that slid in there really nicely. I like that. Come on in and take a look. This is all you do. Ooh, listen to that. This is why they call it fried rice. Come on in and listen to this. Ooh, it's coming along really nice now. By the way, this is the point where I like to add salt and pepper. Use as much salt as you want. I don't use that much. But you can do whatever you want, and this is the pepper. And in Sicilian, it's called pepe. Pepe. There you go. Nice. And of course, the salt is sale. Sale. I thought you'd enjoy that. And keep stirring. Yeah. Okay, alrighty. I think that our steamed rice is to the point where it's nicely cooked and seared. Now it's not going to turn brown on you until we add soy sauce, which is coming up. Here's the soy sauce. That goes in, but not just yet. So now it's time for me to add the vegetables. There we go. And look at the vegetables we're using. Look at that. Carrots, peas, all kinds of good stuff. Corn. I love it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, now we're going to add it, okay? And here we go. Here we go. Now I'm going to turn the fire way down, way down. Really, really low. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix it together. Now, see how that looks, you guys? So remember the eggs? Remember the eggs? Here they are, nicely chopped. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. And then now I'm thinking about doing some soy sauce. And here we go. Here we go with some soy sauce. We'll go like this. And we'll put some soy sauce. Look at the soy sauce, right? Let me go ahead and put. Now this is going to add salt. Okay, so add as much as you want. I'm only going to do that much. Just start with that. Stir it up. And now you can see your rice is obviously starting to turn brown, okay? It doesn't get really brown by the frying of the rice. It gets brown by the soy sauce. That's the trick right there. Look at that. Oh my gosh, looks wonderful. What a great dish this is. Oh gosh. Remember, you're using a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, and then the soy sauce. So be careful of the salt content. You don't want to mess with your high blood pressure if you have it. Okay. Come on in for the last here. You're gonna love this. It's here! Remember all the ingredients we had at the top? Not many, right? And it's here. Less than 10 minutes. This is so easy. Hey, listen, if you want to add chicken or pork or beef or whatever to this fried rice, you can. It's a complete meal. That's right. It gets a little more protein in there too. So come on in and take a look at what we got here, a finished product. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Whoop! Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And then I have a little side dish right here. This is how we serve it here at Vito's Italian Cucina. Look at this. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite of this right here, right on camera. Oh God! Oh my gosh! It's so hot. Take a look at that. Isn't that nice? Huh? Isn't that great? And to make it authentic, I got myself an Asian spoon. You know what I mean? Okay, hold on. Italian kid, Sicilian kid with an Asian spoon. Ah, I love it. Here we go. Oh God. Mild, delightful. All the ingredients you taste. The salt from the pepper, from the soy sauce, the veggies, fried rice. Oh, and I did this for myself at home, and you can too. Stay tuned for a nice little beauty shot at the end. I think you'll enjoy with some great music. Thanks for joining us here at Vito's Italian Cucina. A ciao for now.